To get started, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and type Task Scheduler into the search bar. When Task Scheduler appears, click on it to open the application. On the left-hand side of the window, you'll see a list of all the tasks that have already been set up. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Actions panel. This is where you can create a new task. Let's start by creating a basic task. Click on Create Basic Task. Now give your task a name. I'll just call it Test for this example. Then add a description. I'll use Launch as a placeholder. Once you're done, click Next. Next, you'll choose a trigger, which tells the system when to start the task. For example, you can choose to run it daily when you log on or when a specific event occurs. For this example, I'll leave it set to Daily. Click Next. On the next screen, you can set the start date and time. I'll leave the date as today and set the time for the next 2 minutes. That's when the program will launch. Click Next again. Now choose what action the task should perform. We'll select Start a Program, then click Next. To choose the program you want to run, click Browse, find the application, in my case, it's Steam, and select it. Once you've done that, click Next again. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. In about a minute, Steam should automatically launch on my computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.